Namaskar, I am Dr. Nilima Sonawne, Principal Institute of Nursing Education, Mumbai, and I have a special message for you on the special occasion of World Heart Day, September 29. As you know, heart disease is the number one killer disease on this planet, globally and particularly in India. In India, heart disease occurs in very young age. People in their 40, 30 and even 20 are also having heart attack. You know that after heart attack or any kind of heart disease, life of the person totally changes. They will not be able to perform their task with the same potential that they used to have. This is due to disease specific physical and physiological limitations. It is said that heart disease is the disease of negligence, means not taking care of themselves. Diabetes, hypertension, obesity, sedentary lifestyle, alcohol and smoking are the contributing factors of heart disease. If you want to avoid this disease, one should take care of themselves. It is very simple. Those who are taking care of themselves have less chance of developing heart disease. This year is a very special message as we are in very unprecedented time of COVID-19 pandemic, which affect our life as a person, as an institution and as a country on large scale. The patient of heart disease are more prone to develop the complications of COVID and even the mortality rate is high. Thus, the patient of heart disease are need to take extra care to prevent COVID-19 infection. If the person is having controlled heart disease and taking care, may not have the problems in the COVID situation and will survive. But if the person is having acute symptom, may need to urgent life-saving measures. But it is observed that the people don't want to seek the medical care due to the fear of COVID-19 infection, which may be life-threatening for them. My message to those, please don't hesitate to seek the medical emergency. Early diagnosis and prompt treatment definitely will save the life. Use heart care and medicine to live your best life for society, for loved one and for you. Being the head of the Nursing Education Institute, I urge all the nursing professionals be knowledgeable about the heart disease and its risk in COVID situation. Give realistic health education to the people and provide best treatment to those who are suffering with the disease. As a public, take good diet, regular exercise, yoga, breathing exercise and follow the COVID-19 Tri-Sutra, that is social distancing, mask and hand washing. The theme for this year is use heart to beat CVD. The take-home message for today is, as an individual, to set an example for your loved one, as a healthcare professionals, to help your patient make positive changes for their heart health, as an employer, to invest in the heart health of your employees, as a government, to implement policies and initiatives that will lead to better societal health, such as sugar taxes, smoking ban and reducing air pollution. The theme says use heart to beat CVD. It means use heart to listen to your heart, use heart to make better choices, use heart for society, your loved one and for you, use heart for patient with heart disease, use heart for the health professionals because they are working day and night for you. Best wishes and good luck for today's program. Thank you so much.